All right, what's up, everybody? So we back with another trading review on my favorite derivative of choice, NQ. So we get in the trade just after market open. You know, it's the same, nothing different. Got a little bit of slippage. Got a little bit of slippage here, and let's see. I really wanted to get in on the candle that's printing now. I wanted to get in on the candle just before it, but it's not a bad entry. So again, same strategy. I'm looking for a break above the candle that pierced the blue line here, which is a EMA. So my trading strategy is a complex break and retest, or even a bear flag or a bull flag. It's not just a bear flag or a bull flag or just a simple break and retest. It's a little bit more complicated. I blended a few different things inside of this strategy, but if I had to explain it in simple terms, it's a break and retest or a bear flag or a bull flag. You know, you get the breakout and then you get a pullback to a EMA, and then you're looking for price to continue in the direction it just came from. And I'll be targeting, ideally I like to target the nearest high, or I would like for price to go back to where it came from. But here I wasn't too focused on, as you can see, like the wicks. I didn't really like the wicks, but I'm removing the emotions out of it, and I'm just trading the chart. Though I didn't like the wicks, I still put risk. I still entered the trade. So my main focus is always my stop. As you can see, I have a stop of $690 just below that swing, because based off my back testing, if price go way down there to that swing, it's going to reverse. And I don't want to be a part of it past that point. So that's why I have my risk there. And I shoot for a 2-to-1. So that'll be just over 1,200. So I think it's just under. Let's see, 180. Yeah, it's just under 2-to-1, but it's close enough. It actually ended up going past my target. As you can see, I'm grabbing my stop. Excuse me, I'm grabbing my stop because I don't like the wicks. And then it's just at market open. I mean, market been open a little while, but I don't want to take a full loss if I don't have to. So I am holding that stop pretty close, because I think it's crazy for you to allow, 34 to 75, 74. So that's 40 points. It's crazy to allow a trade to come all the way back and be in the negative. So that would be more than a 40-point loss, because 40 points will be back to my entry, and then for it to come back down to my stop will be crazy to take a full-blown loss after being up that much. So I'm following that. I'm following the price with this stop here. I want to at least lock in something. I've been doing that a lot lately versus taking a full-blown loss. Yes, I mean, technically that'll change your risk to reward. Technically. But this is just something I'm testing for. I'm actually forward testing. So, and like I said, with my targets, it's not necessarily a the stop is calculated, but the target isn't really. The target is just there. If it hits it, it hits it. If it don't, cool. But my stop is more important. So same strategy, pierce, breakout. You see it pierce, and I'm looking. This is the reaction right here that we getting right now. That's the reaction I want. And then if I don't get it, I don't just immediately jump out. But if I don't get it, clearly it'll go down to that my original stop, which was like 690, I believe. It'll go back down that way. If what the thing that we can control is our stop. I can't control if it's gonna go to 1235, which is my target, or 535 or $10,000. I can't control that. Price is gonna move, but I can control how much I want to participate, like how much I'm willing to lose. Price can keep going either direction. So I want to make sure I control my stop first. And we flirting with it. Oh, almost. Just like that. Just like that. Same strategy over and over and over. See, it went past. It went past it. But same strategy, different results. You just have to continue to, you don't want to perfect it. You just want to go through the process, fall in love with the process, follow the process, and allow the results to be a byproduct of the process, win or loss. Way to stay patient.